Problem solving is a fundamental cognitive process that allows us to navigate challenges, make decisions, and achieve our goals. From everyday dilemmas like finding the quickest route to work to complex issues like designing innovative products, effective problem solving is essential for personal growth and progress in society. Recent research in cognitive psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral economics has provided valuable insights into how we approach problems and the factors that can both hinder and help us find solutions. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll explore common obstacles to problem solving, highlight current examples from research, and discuss practical strategies to overcome these hurdles. If you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. So let's get into it. Common obstacles to problem solving. Number 1. Functional fixedness. Functional fixedness is a cognitive bias that restricts us to seeing objects only in their conventional roles. For instance, in the classic candle problem devised by Carl Duncker, participants struggle to see a matchbox as anything other than a container for matches, overlooking its potential as a candle holder. This tendency limits creative thinking and prevents novel solutions. Number 2. Mental set. A mental set is a habit of relying on strategies that have worked in the past, even when they're no longer effective. This strategy can prevent us from exploring new ways to solve problems and often leads to frustration. Number 3. Confirmation bias. Confirmation bias occurs when we favor information that confirms our existing beliefs, ignoring contradictory evidence. In problem solving, this can cause us to overlook better solutions simply because they challenge our assumptions. Number 4. Emotional barriers. Emotions like fear, anxiety, and frustration can cloud our judgment and reduce our willingness to take risks or try new approaches. These emotional barriers can stall the problem-solving process and reduce motivation to persist. Number 5. Lack of motivation. A lack of motivation can be a major obstacle, particularly in situations that feel overwhelming or unclear. Research shows that when motivation is low, our cognitive resources like attention and working memory are less engaged, making it harder to generate or pursue solutions. Number 6. Cultural influences. Cultural norms and values can shape how we approach problems. In some cases, they create a resistance to alternative methods or discourage certain types of thinking, limiting problem-solving flexibility. Strategies to overcome problem-solving obstacles. Number 1. Encourage creative thinking. Engage in activities that promote divergent thinking, such as brainstorming, drawing mind maps, or temporarily stepping away from the problem to let new ideas emerge. Number 2. Seek diverse perspectives. Collaborate with people from different backgrounds or disciplines. Diverse viewpoints can help break mental sets and broaden the range of possible solutions. Number 3. Manage emotions. Practice stress reduction techniques like mindfulness, exercise, and breathing exercises to reduce the impact of negative emotions and create a mental space more conducive to problem solving. Number 4. Boost motivation. Break the problem into smaller, manageable tasks and celebrate progress along the way. This helps sustain motivation and keeps the momentum going, even in challenging situations. And number 5. Cultivate cultural awareness. Be mindful of cultural influences on your thinking and remain open to alternative viewpoints and strategies. This openness can lead to more innovative and culturally sensitive solutions. In conclusion, understanding and addressing these obstacles can significantly enhance your problem-solving abilities. By fostering creativity, embracing diverse perspectives, managing your emotions, and maintaining motivation, you can approach challenges with greater confidence and skill, turning even the toughest problems into opportunities for growth and discovery. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health worksheets and resources, please visit my website. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're up to date on all our videos. As always, thanks for watching.